Here's how to use voice chat in Roblox. Go to the Roblox website, sign into your account, click the settings icon, and select settings. First, make sure your account's date of birth is eligible for voice chat. If your account doesn't meet the age requirement, you'll need to use an eligible account. Next, add and verify your phone number or email address under account info. Once it's verified, you'll see a confirmation checkmark next to it. Then open privacy and content restrictions and select content maturity. Set it to moderate or restricted, then go to communication and make sure to enable experience chat and party chat individually. In some countries, a verified phone number is enough, while others require government ID verification before voice chat becomes available. After enabling the feature, join a Roblox game that supports voice chat. Open the in-game settings menu, make sure your microphone is selected as the input device, choose your speakers or headphones as the output device, and confirm your volume is turned up. Finally, click the unmute button to enable your microphone and start using voice chat with other players in supported Roblox experiences. That's all for this video. Thanks.